Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a special project to get rid of some of these scrap yarns, and I hope you like it. Let's take a look at the materials. You can use one ball of yarn or mix them around. I'm using acrylic yarn, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. And these little pieces that I cut out from an old bed sheet, but you can use anything you want as fillings. Before we begin, here's my best friend. It is beautifully made and I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a measured circle. So grab hold of the tail and wrap the yarn around your finger like this. Bring the hook, go under the first loop, pull through the working yarn and twist. Yarn over and pull through the working yarn through the loop. This is your measure circle, as simple as that. To begin round 1, 1 chain, and then from here, place a half double crochet into the measure circle. So that's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, with 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. That's 2, and again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. So once you have the 8 half double crochet in the measure circle, pull the tail to close the circle. To begin round 2, find your first stitch. If you do not know which is your first stitch, count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my first stitch. So we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch, and then 1 chain. And in the seam stitch, place 2 half double crochets. That's 1, and 1 more into the seam stitch. On your next stitch, also place 2 half double crochets. That's 1, and 1 more into the same stitch. And again into the next stitch. So make sure you insert into 2 loops. That's 1 and 2 into the same stitch. So for this round, we are placing 2 half double crochet into every stitch. And by the end of the round, there's going to be a total of 16 stitches. And I meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. And then 1 chain. And place 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. And 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. And again into the next stitch. So for this round, we're only placing one half double crochet into every stitch. From here, we're working 16 stitches all around for over and over and over again. To make it easier to work with, flip it from inside out. Always start with a slip stitch into the first stitch and one chain to begin the round. And make sure to fill the inside as you crochet. I did not measure how long I crochet, but you can stop at any point. And to finish it off, slip stitch into the first stitch and one chain. From here, we're going to do a half double crochet decrease. That's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 5 loops. And this is one half double crochet decrease, and again into the next 2 stitches, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, with 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 5 loops. That's 2, and again, three. Repeat this all around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. After going through all around, slip stitch to join the round, and one chain. From here, make sure to add more fillings before the next step. Then pull the working yarn through and leave a very long tail for stitching, and cut yarn. Use a yarn needle to close the opening. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Once it's done, we're going to round it up and stitch them together. And you need to use a little bit of string to tighten it. As you can see, I'm struggling because I'm working on the table, and it's easier to do it in my lap. Anyway, I hope you get the idea. The idea is one stitch here and one stitch here all the way. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!